Hi, welcome to this video tutorial on how to sign up and open an account to participate in the Indian Trading League. To participate in the Indian Trading League, you will be required to open a trading account with the execution broker Samco. In order to do the same, go to the home page and the registration section of the website. Enter your name. For the purpose of this video, we will be using test IDs. So let's say you enter your name, then kindly enter your email address. Then kindly enter your mobile number and then click on open an account. Once you click on open an account, you will be redirected to the terms page. On the terms page, you will have two options in order to open an account. Number one, you can start your online application immediately. And number two, you can download and print the form. Let's say you want to start the online application immediately. You will be required to click on proceed with the online application. Let's say you want to download and print your form. Select whether you are an individual or a non-individual. Select the kind of accounts that you want to open. And please click on download and you will be able to download the forms. Let's take an example where you want to open an online application. You will be required to click on proceed with an online application. Here a page will pop up, agree to the terms and conditions of the league. Here you will be required to click the checkbox on agreeing the terms and conditions. In case you want to read the terms and conditions, please click on the terms and conditions hyperlink and you will be redirected to the terms and conditions page. Once you have thoroughly read through the same, kindly click on open an account. The moment you click on open an account, an email with the account details will be sent to your email ID. Also, in case you don't receive the email, please check the spam and the junk folders of your email ID. Still, even despite of the same, you don't receive an email in a few minutes after the clicking on opening an account, kindly click here and you will be able to get the account details resent to your email ID. Let's go and check the email ID. Check your email ID for the account login details. In case you have click here, please check the latest email that you have received because that will be the applicable email ID for opening the account. Go back to the login page on the Indian Trading League. Enter your email ID. In this case, it would be test@indiantradingleague@gmail.com. Enter the password that you have just received in your email and click on submit. Here you will be taken to the entire account opening process. Enter your full name. Here you will be required to enter your name exactly as it appears in your PAN card. Select the account ownership status. In case you are an individual male or female, please select individual. In case you are an HUF, select HUF. And select likewise for any other category. Let's say you are an individual, click on individual and press submit. On pressing submit, you will be taken to the individual form page. Here, you will be required to fill 5 tabs before completing the process and going live to open an account. Enter your full name exactly as it appears in your PAN card. Enter your father or your spouse name as it appears in the PAN card. Enter your date of birth. Enter your gender. Enter your marital status, single or married. Enter your nationality. In case you are an Indian, enter Indian. Enter your status, whether you are a resident individual, non-resident or a foreign national. Enter your 10-digit PAN number. Please enter your PAN correctly as it appears in your PAN card. Enter your annual income. Enter your net worth. Enter the date of the net worth. Please select your occupation. Select your educational qualification. Enter your company. Once you have completed the personal section, please click on next. In case you do not fill any of the asterisk marked items, which are the compulsory items, you will not be allowed to proceed further. Please click next and you will be required to fill in your address and your contact details. Please carefully fill in your address and your contact details. Please enter your city correctly, enter your PIN code, enter your state, enter your country, and also enter the proof of address that you shall be submitting for opening an account. Let's say you want to submit your passport as a proof of address, please select passport. In case you have a different permanent address than from your correspondence address, please click this and fill in the permanent address details. In case both of them are the same, please uncheck the box and you should not be required to fill in the other section. Please enter your mobile number. This would be the same as you would have entered at the time of opening an account. Kindly verify the same. Please enter your residence number. Enter your office number if any, your fax number if any, and then click on next. Then proceed to your bank and DP section. Please fill out this section very carefully. This will be the bank account that will be mapped and linked to your trading account. Enter the name of your bank. Enter your account number. Enter the account type, whether it's a savings account, NRE account, current account, or an NRO account. Enter the IFSC code. Enter your MICR, 9-digit MICR code that will appear on a check that has been issued to you by the bank. Enter your branch with the bank. In case you want to add another bank account and map it to your trading account, please check box that and enter the other bank account details. In case no, please uncheck the box. In case you already have an existing Demat account and you'd like to map your Demat account with your Samco, please select that option and provide the details of your existing Demat account. In case you want to open a Demat account with Samco or you don't have an existing Demat account, please click on the option I don't have an existing Demat account and click on next. In case you want to nominate someone for the assets which will be held in your trading account, please select the nomination and select and enter the details of the nominee. Enter the name of the nominee. Enter the address of the nominee. Enter your relationship with the nominee, which is a compulsory field. You will also be required to enter the mobile number of the nominee. Enter the PAN if available. Enter the nominee's date of birth. In case the nominee is a minor, you will be required to fill in the details of the guardian as well. Then please click and proceed for the next section, which is the trading preferences section. Select the segments that you would like to trade on. Select your preferred trading platform, whether it is internet trading, mobile trading, or call and trade. Please enter in case you have any previous trading experience. In case not, please uncheck the box. Also select in case if there has been any SEBI or FMC activity or action that has been taken against you in the past. In case not, please select no. In case any existing Samco or ITL client having referred you to open an ITL account, please click on the referral option. Enter the introducer's name. Enter the introducer's phone number. Once all these details have been filled in, please click on confirm. Please select the city where you reside and select the package that you would like to opt for. The standard package is a package where you would be required to download and print the forms yourself and send it to us by way of courier. The priority package is a form where we would download and print the forms on your behalf, verify the same, and send it to an address of your choice. And you can simply sign and attach your documents and send us back the form by way of a courier. And a premium package is a package where we will physically send someone to an address of your choice in order to pick up your documents along with the pre-printed forms. You will simply be required to sign the form and attach the relevant documents, and our person will pick it up from your address. Let's say you want to select the premium package and you want to get it collected from your permanent residence address. Select the accounts that you want to open. The charges of opening an equity trading account, commodity trading account, and demat account have been mentioned. Apply the coupon code in order to avail of any existing promotional offers. And then click on submit. On clicking submit, you will be able to get a confirmation that your account details have successfully been submitted. Please wait for the forms to auto get downloaded. In case the forms do not get downloaded, please click here to download the forms in the PDF format. You will be able to get a pop-up of downloading the PDF form. Kindly save the file and click on OK, and the download will begin. Once the download has been completed, kindly open the documents and check the same. Once you have verified the PDF forms that have been generated, then depending on the plan that you have selected, kindly do the needful. In case you have selected a premium plan, then sit back and wait for our executive to reach out to you with the pre-printed forms for your signatures and documents. The same shall be the case in case of a priority form. And in case you have selected a standard package, please take a printout of the forms that have been downloaded and sign at the applicable places, attach the relevant documents, and send them to the execution broker's office address, which has been mentioned on the contact us page of the website. That is 66 Samruddhi House, Bhaudaji Crossroad, opposite South Indian Gymkhana, Matagama Central, Mumbai 19. Thank you for this short video tutorial on how to open an account to participate in the Indian Trading League. Thank you.